Hello, in this video I want to show you how to fix a problem when you have stable internet connection, but you cannot use your Google Play Store to find games like Call of Duty, Diablo, or basically any game in OPPO A77. Let's start with opening Google Play Store, and here try to find a game, and we're gonna go for Call of Duty. As you can see, there's a game right here. If we click on it, nothing happens. Now, to fix this, go back, click on your profile picture in the home page, select a settings, then family. Here, find parental controls. Now you can either disable parental controls entirely. This should fix the issue. There's also a second option to fix this, and click on apps and games. Enter the PIN code and increase PG to 16 or 18. Make sure to save those settings afterwards, and if you go back to your game, it's right here and we can either play or download it. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.